Hi, I'm Brenda Quintana coming to you from the Beehive at QBsQuest.com. It's Minute Monday time again, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute note card using the Fruit Basket bundle. Now this bundle consists of the Fruit Basket stamp set and these 4 punches that are in the Itty Bitty Fruit Punch pack. So this note card has a combination of stamping and punching, and it uses the masking technique. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. To start off with, I'm going to need a note card, and I've taken this note card from my Whisper White Note Cards and Envelopes pack. And this note card is already scored in half, but I'm just going to leave it open for now. Next, we're going to need some Tutti Frutti Designer Series paper, and it has all sorts of fruit and check patterns that will match the bundle really well. I've chosen this stripe pattern right here, and I've cut a strip of it to 5 inches by 1 inch, and I'm going to just lay it down here at the bottom of my card for starters. Make sure it's right along the bottom. Then I'm going to need my Crush Curry ink pad, and I'm going to take this stamp, which is the outline of the bowl. I'm going to ink it up in the Crush Curry, and I'm going to stamp it in about 1/2 inch from the left side, like that. And then I'm going to take a Post-it note, and I'm going to ink the stamp up again, and I'm going to stamp it pretty close to the top of the Post-it note, like that. What I want is that the stamp will be in the sticky part of the Post-it note. Then I'm going to take some scissors, and I'm going to cut along the top edge of the bowl. This is going to be my mask for my bowl of fruit. So see how that's just cut the top of the bowl of fruit. Then I'm going to lay this right on top of my stamped image. And you want this Post-it note to be just below the edge of the stamped image on your note card. Then you're going to take your Real Red ink pad, open it up, and I'm going to take my little strawberry stamp. I want to stamp about 4 strawberries, so I'm going to start over on the left side, and I'm going to stamp this over top of the Post-it note, so it's going to look like the strawberries actually inside the bowl. I'm going to stamp it one more time. This time I'm going to turn my strawberry upside down, and I'm going to stamp it right next to the other strawberry like that. And then I'm going to stamp it one more time over top of the Post-it note, like that. And then I want to stamp it one more time so there's 1 strawberry stacked on the top. And I'll just stamp it like that. This strawberry is a 2-step stamp, so I can take my Garden Green ink pad, open it up, and then I'm going to take the top part of the strawberry, ink it up in Garden Green, and I'm going to match it with the top of the strawberry and then stamp down. Isn't that cute? How you can just stamp those 2 images together to make the complete strawberry. So now you can peel off this Post-it note, and look, it looks like the strawberries are actually inside the bowl. So to finish off this bowl, I'm going to use my So Saffron ink pad, and I'm going to use the fill for the bowl. It's this bold stamp here. So Saffron is just lighter than Crush Curry, so we'll see the Crush Curry detail through the lighter stamp. So I'm going to hover this over my bowl, and when it looks aligned, I will stamp down. We're going to need the Garden Green ink pad one more time. And I just want to make sure that this Designer Series paper strip is still aligned at the bottom. And then I'm going to take my greeting, which says, "You are the sweetest." Make sure that's nice and inky, and I'm going to stamp that just right next to my bowl like that. When you're doing the masking technique, I suggest trying it on practice paper once first so that you can get the technique down and you can make any adjustments you need to make. So now I'm going to adhere this to my card. So I'll just use some snail adhesive for that. I just want to make sure this is right down here at the bottom of the card. Then I'm going to take a length of this beautiful Daffodil Delight double stitch ribbon, and I'm going to wrap it around my card base. And I want the knot to kind of come right in between my greeting and the bowl. So let me just adjust that. I'm going to cross it over and do the first knot. Okay, that looks good. Here's where locking tweezers will come in really handy. I got mine in the beading section at a craft store. And this is just going to help me hold down that knot while I do that second knot. So I want the little X's of the ribbon to be up on the top. So when I do the tie, I'm going to be kind of cognizant of that. So I'm going to bring this over, and I'm going to have to do some fancy little twisting to make sure my crosses are on top. The other side has just kind of more of a stitched side. So I'm just kind of turning my ribbon to make sure that my little X's are on the top. Once you've got that second knot, you can release the tweezers and then just give it one more little pull like that. Then I'm going to come in here and just trim off the ends like that. And then there's just one more thing we can do to make this card look extra special. It actually already looks cute like this, but we can stamp ourselves an extra little strawberry and punch it out and pop it up on a dimensional. So I'm going to need my real red ink pad again. I'm going to need my little strawberry stamp again. I'm going to stamp my strawberry first, and then I'm going to come in with my garden green ink pad. Ink up the top, align it, stamp it. Then I'm going to need my little strawberry punch from that punch pack. And the punch is just a little bit smaller than the actual image. So this will help you get the full strawberry on the punch, but it will be a little bit smaller than if you stamped it. So go ahead and punch it once it looks right. And here's my itty bitty strawberry. Isn't that cute? So to put that on the front, I'm going to use a mini dimensional, and one of these will fit perfectly onto the back. And then just remove the backing, and then you can stick it down right next to your greeting, and that just gives it just a little bit of something extra. Then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this note card along the score line, and you can use your bone folder to smooth down that fold. These note cards also come with matching envelopes, so have fun and also stamp on the envelopes. That will make it extra special. So there you go, a really simple but cute note card for our Monday morning. All the supplies you'll need to make this note card are available for purchase on my blog. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Bye for now.
If you like this tutorial, be sure to check out all the free with purchase tutorials available on my blog. The interlocking heart box tutorial is just one of the exclusive tutorials that you can choose free with a minimum purchase in my Stampin' Up! Store.
Hi, it's Brenda again. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog for more information on my projects and to learn about my rewards program, or just watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching.